How to change currency on Facebook Marketplace. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can change our currency on Facebook Marketplace. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before doing that, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe option. So first thing first, open your browser on your laptop. After that, type in facebook.com. And open your Facebook, make sure you're logged in. After that, you will be able to see this on your screen. So what I want you to do is on your left side, you can see a bunch of options like find friends, memories, saved groups. Just tap on see more until you see orders and payments. Just tap on see more. If you don't see it add up, just scroll down and you will be able to see this order and payments option. Just tap on orders and payments. And then wait for it to load. You will be able to receive this on your screen. After that, here you will be able to see no payment history and all. So on your left side again, I want you to scroll down until you get to settings. So here you see a bunch of options. I want you to click on settings. After clicking on it, you will be able to see the option called currency. Here under security, just tap on currency. You can see US dollar right now. You may change it accordingly. Just tap on the drop down option. You can see you can only change your currency once every 72 hours. So be sure before changing it. After reading the terms, just tap on the drop down option and change your currency into whatever you want. You will get a lot of options here. Just change it into anything you want. Let's say I'm gonna change it into Australian dollar. So I'm just gonna tap on Australian dollar and tap on save. After tapping on save, you can see that my currency has been changed into Australian dollar. So I can use my Australian dollar currency on my Facebook Marketplace now. So therefore, in this way, you can change your currency on Facebook Marketplace. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.